What's up guys, in this video you will learn how to play with your friends online in WWE 2K26. Go to online and select lobbies. From there press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation to create your own lobby. This allows you to control the match settings. Next, choose the match type you want. For example, you can select a steel cage match, extreme rules match, falls count anywhere match or hell in a cell match. After that, pick the arena and adjust any match rules or settings you want. Once everything is set, start the lobby. Now select your superstar. After choosing your character, move to the plus icon to open your friends list. From there, select the friend you want to play against and send them an invite to your game. Once they accept the invite, they will join your lobby and you can start the match. If you want other players to join, press the menu button to make the lobby public, which allows random players to enter. If you can't see your friend in the friends list, it usually means you are not friends on your platform, so that's why you need to add them as your friend first. On Xbox, open your profile and search for your friend's gamer tag, then send a friend request. On PlayStation, first press the PlayStation button, then go to Game Base. From there, choose Search for Players, type your friend's name, select their profile and choose Add Friend. On Steam, go to your profile name and choose the friends option, then select Add a Friend. From there, enter your friend's name or ask for their Steam ID, which is the number you see on their profile. Type the ID in the search box, find their profile and select Add Friend. Once the request is accepted, they will appear in your list and you'll be able to invite them to the lobby. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.